Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. As you know, this is my 987 that I am making a track car, and I just got some beautiful track mats from Rennline. All right, this is my driver's side one, and right underneath it is the one for the passenger side. They come in either black or silver. This is the black, obviously. And if you track your car, you already know that you have to pull out your stock or other mats before getting on track, because they could slide around and get caught up in your pedals, theoretically. So with this one, you no longer have to do that. You can leave this one in. So I have the big, thick rubber type. So I'm just gonna yank that out. All right, with my seats all the way back, I can just drop it in. And you can see it lines up perfectly everywhere. And when you get home from the track, if you want, you can just throw your stock mat right back over the top, and then you'll have your carpet or rubber or whatever it is also protect this one. With these, you get a set of install instructions, which is super simple, and this big sheet of Velcro. So it's stuck together. So all you do is cut it into smaller sizes, place it on the carpet in the car, set the track mat down on top of it, of course after removing the sticky part, and bam, it is installed. So I just cut it in half, and then in half, and then in half. So I'll just make sure that the permanently installed carpet is vacuumed. I'm gonna peel off the backing and press it onto the carpet here. I guess I could have gone here, wherever you want to put it. Repeat that 4 times, and then take off the plastic on the other side. And we're just gonna drop this right on top of them. Let's make sure you get it all lined up first. Push it all the way forward. Get our edges lined up. Press it down. That's it. It is installed. So when you want to take it out, just lift it up, detach the Velcro, and you're good to go. And at the back, they even have this pre-drilled hole. So if you wanted to use like a sheet metal screw or something and permanently attach it, you could do that, I guess. So important to note when ordering, if you have the Bose speaker set up, apparently that means you have this big thing down here in the floorboard on the passenger side. And if that's the case, they sell 2 different sizes of passenger floor mats. So make sure you get the one with the Bose one, because the one I got is too wide to fit in here. All right, hopefully you guys enjoyed this. Subscribe, give it a like, and in the next video, I will be using the Rennline pedal set and installing that.